This video will walk you through how to unbox your Form 4L or Form 4BL in preparation for printing. To start, move the Form 4L box to an open area close to where it will be set up. Keep in mind that the Form 4L printer box weighs approximately 170 pounds. Always work with a second person to move or lift the machine. First, lift and remove the outer box. The top foam houses boxes containing the power cable, USB cable, leveling disc, and Wi-Fi antenna. Place these items to the side and remove the top foam from the printer. Loop the lifting straps underneath the printer over your forearms. Make sure the straps are firmly seated under the printer, then use them to lift and place the printer onto your work surface. We encourage you to hold onto your packaging if your unit ever needs to be packed and shipped, but this is not required. Once the printer is in place, remove the microfiber shipping cover. This cover can be used to protect the printer from dust when not in use, but should never be used while printing. Lastly, peel off the protective film on the display. You're now ready to plug in your printer and get started. The plug for the power cable is located on the back right of the printer near the power switch. Once plugged in, flip the switch to turn it on. To install the Wi-Fi antenna, locate the threaded mount on the back left of the printer. Twist the antenna onto the mount and bend it at the hinge. To the right of the antenna is the port for the USB-C to A cable. While here, take note of the serial name on your printer. Print it on a sticker nearby. Formlabs Form 4L printer serial names are fashioned as the printer model type followed by adjective animal. This printer serial name, for example, is Form 4L Subtle Seahorse. In our next video, we'll be going over the steps for preparing your Form 4L for its first print.